Whenever the technicians come out, they've all put on the booties when they come in. They go outside for a while, the booties come back on when they come back in. They greet me by name, I greet them, everything is professional. Javier was incredible. He does a great job, very personable, very professional. I recommend him to everybody. And also Cardinal, I recommend to everybody. Whenever I call in, I get a real person immediately. And if that person can't help me, they get me to the person that can. I get a call, when to expect the technician, and they keep me updated throughout the day. I joined the Cardinal Care Club. I like the simplicity and the convenience of it. I get a call when I need my furnace checked seasonally, and in the spring I hear from Cardinal about the air conditioning. I can honestly say that Cardinal has never let me down. I never hesitate with family, friends, neighbors to recommend Cardinal for all their heating, AC, plumbing, and electrical needs. And nobody has come back to me and said I was wrong.